Hello everyone, I'm Yegor and I've always been a fan of buses. And right now I'm so excited because I was invited to visit the Yutong Bus Museum and Brand Experience Center. I am so looking forward to it. Whoa, wow, this looks like an old bus.
Hello, Yegor.
Hello.
Welcome. I'm Catherine from Yutong. This is Yutong Bus Museum and the Brand Experience Center.
You know, I love buses. That's why I'm so excited about this place.
If you are a bus fan, you've definitely come to the right place because here is the world's biggest bus museum.
World's biggest museum. Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Let's go.
Okay. I know that the oldest type of public transportation is called omnibus.
Really? Look at this.
No way. See this omnibus in Sherlock Holmes.
Yes, Yegor, not only omnibus, you can also see the history of world bus and coach here.
Nice. I'm really interested to learn more about different kinds of buses, you know?
Yes, Yegor, please find something you think most interesting
Okay.
here, and I will give you a bus as a prize.
A bus? Sounds terrific. Okay, well, off I go. Catherine, out of all the types of the buses that I've seen here, this one is the most interesting one. It's called charcoal vehicle, and I've never heard of it before.
Yes, Yegor. In the 1950s, China has explored an energy shortage.
Oh.
From charcoal vehicles to coal gas bus and electric bus, China's bus industry explored arduously and went through twists and turns. However, Yutong has played a significant role in the rise of China's bus manufacturing industry.
Catherine just told me Yutong invited a lot of expert consultants when building this exhibition hall. They were very moved by the words mentioned by the experts. They said that if you want to understand the history of Chinese buses, you should first learn the history of Yutong. Hey, what's this?
Gas.
Wow. It looks like a dance of colors. You know, to see Yutong all over the world, I've probably taken the Yutong bus back in the UK.
Oh, really?
And right now, seeing it here on the screen and this performance is just amazing.
Yes, Yutong not only provide a perfect product, we also participate in the local transportation system, driving the employees and take changes to the local society. I'm proud to be one of Yutong.
Okay, well, you think I could be a part of Yutong as well?
I will think about it. Please give your CV.
Okay. And let's learn more about it, okay? You know, Catherine, I've noticed that the increasing number of Chinese enterprises are focusing on green energy.
Yes, Yegor. China has the largest number of new energy buses in the world, and Yutong, we have already sold more than 13,000 new energy buses until now.
Looking at these numbers, I realized that up until now, all new energy buses of Yutong have generated the cumulative environmental benefit that is equal to afforestation of 60,000 hectares. How cool is that? Making this planet a better place to live in.
Yes, really cool. This is Future Theater.
Oh, wow! The coolest thing ever!
Yes, it is moving all the time.
I know! Wow, what a trip it was!
Would you want to see the real future travel?
The real future. Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Where am I? Hey, wait! Why there's no driver?
Relax, Yegor. This is Yutong autonomous bus.
Oh, it's an autonomous bus. Wow.
It's a real future travel.
It is. Man, I cannot imagine this bus doesn't have a driver and just goes by itself. Wow. Maybe in the future we're all going to be in these kind of buses with no driver. Visiting a Yutong Bus Museum was such a great experience, learning about the bus history, just so amazing. And I would like to invite you to come here and check it out for yourself. If you are not able to come, please do not be sad, because Yutong will be providing a 360 virtual reality trip to this museum. So hop on to the official website and you will not miss a thing. It was Yegor with you, and I'll see you at the next adventure. So excited, this is my prize, you know? I can't believe it's gonna be mine!
Yegor,
Hey!
this is your prize.
Oh, this is my prize! I like it even better.